Here you go. Okay, Ben, I'll ask you if you're ready, then I'll put you over to Scott. Okay, athletes, are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so come on Hastings, let's make a bit of noise for these guys. Okay, 260k barrels, up they go. And then the block.
Come on, Ben.
Okay, Hastings, come on, this is our final event. Final event of the day. So let's make a bit of noise, let's raise the roof here. Come on, this is good. Come on, on to the fifth object. Okay.
That's it.